Gavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo igorero haraumuyaga bugwasio ya mariogo haisaini chiringi chimilioni emiyemo anse ntunde ntanganise yo muroberio umanyakaine na drug revolving fund ase kugwatirana nekyombe keteneta mariogo gya KEMSA ase nkwana yaye umugabana Nyaribo nigo hanekirie abantu anyamira buna asama tukalibosyo uchando bwokuburwa mariogo ase chinyagitari gwetani emiyemo cha serikali ye kaunti Nyamira nigo tachie kwenekiwa na inda sagendera kubali abantu kugendera kwelekea somo rubulio bwobugwenya usha muri kitofati gari Gisemba orobotirwa senchira yobwikira
serikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira ikuragwa n'umugavana Amos Nyaribo nigo rero basyoria mariogo aisaine chiringi chimilioni emiyemo abwase umugavana uyu iga ayenekeria umunyamira buna gucakira rero na kugenderera mu cyando bwo kuburwa kwa mariogo ase chinyagitari turigo cya kwenekiwa na ende
rero twalonje 100 million dodo yiye chinde 200 million toyeke fund yeyo ndiye atwale chinguru Naba doito goboria korwariwa wigakiro montare chesa sha kana kwa chesa ya wakanira mariogo twari yedeni twakano gorusha itoko gandira kuboradio karioka so Nyamira rero uchakira rero ituko ndio toratware amariogo atayegeretari
aiga nigo mugavana Nyaribo boigo ariya kumanya ingakiki amariyogande amatigari kurase kyombe kiga kya KEMSA kirache gutuma gocha igase kaunti ya Nyamira.
We are launching 100 million and you said you are now stocked 100%.
We will ensure that we fulfill 100%. What has come is for hospitals. The next batch for level 3s and level 2s will be coming after next week.
After next week is when? Even next year is after next week. Tell us.
The picking will begin.
We have made an order.
Yes, the picking will begin.
We don't have a date with you. We have cleared, so when are you delivering exactly? You call them and tell us.
Kukwanira igoro ya sha nigo muwasiri bw'obochenu Dr. Donald Mugoi abasegetire kira oyomo kweri kya sha naryo serikali ya Nyamira nero iranyora uburaisi bwo kugura amariogo.
Kwa kila mwezi SHA inalipa hospitali zetu zote 116 kuanzia dispensary mpaka hiyo hospitali yetu ya referral. Kwa ile pesa ambayo SHA itakuwa inalipa, kupitia hiyo pesa ndio itatumika kulipia hizi dawa wakati zimefika kwa hizo hospitali na watalipa agency, alafu tena ndio agency iendelee kununua na kuwarudishia dawa.
Igoro yengane yiga ya sha boigo nigo mugavana Nyaribo amuchiro muwasiri bwobochenu meyenzi ya Kenya aserieta adendware ase ugutabwatuka kibesa kya sha ase obwango.
So as we move forward, the biggest problem we have is SHA. SHA is holding out 400 million, so we urge them. We ask Gitware to address that, not another thing.
Ase ensemo yende nigo mo MC bwe ward ya township Duke Masira nigo arikana kuburia serikali ya Nyamira kwena kyabuna engeria ya community health promoters bakanirwe ase chinga kibwenerete ingana umugavana Nyaribo airaniria
abantu bana kubago takabanya kurenda abantu kipili bana gutanga kubekera ni kubaja kwa guzira mutinyukane andi bakaire gucia ngao igashiri bobonera gutokorera andi aratumira pesa kebekire se budget na ndari is excellence to kuna kubona na ki is excellence ando muntu yugo trenerete company yugo abakari abigasi bakoba bana badina barabu bago chapaga ni kwa macho kwa guzira mitinyene itatu bono banyora no kumike fair ya kuruhusu kugocha ya bigasi ona mwana yudi is excellence to kuja kugaransa tebi and waziri you here
I'm required that you have 2 months salary arrears. The arrears be paid within 1 week. And thereafter you'll be paid monthly without arrears.
chingaki echecho nigo omugavana Nyaribo aenekeria omunyamira buna nigo arachikogora machine ase chinyagitari ao eriogokinia obokoreri bwobobwenia.
Of our services, the Health Department will expand the renal unit in Nyamira County Referral Hospital, introduce other units at Keroka and other sub-county hospitals. We are going to install an MRI machine and the CT scans at Nyamira County Referral Hospital and the Keroka sub-county hospital. We have, but we have to modernize. We are not going to buy machines at Wale. Tumekataa.
Ingo ripota Gatembe kuraiga senyagitari enene ye kaunti ya Nyamira yegotoke meya ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango Njefa Tikad Gisemba.